Welcome to an intriguing look into the world of paternity testing, especially when the situation involves close relatives, like brothers. We'll explore the science behind DNA and how it helps resolve complex family mysteries. Imagine a scenario straight out of paternity court. A child's father could be one of two brothers. This isn't just a dramatic TV plot, it's a real-world challenge that DNA science can accurately address. Paternity testing is a scientific process crucial for legal and personal reasons, determining the biological link between a child and an alleged father. It's about establishing fundamental relationships. Each individual inherits half of their DNA from their mother and half from their father. This fundamental principle is the cornerstone of all DNA paternity tests. DNA tests compare specific regions of DNA, known as genetic markers, between the child and the alleged father to find a match. Think of DNA as a unique book of instructions. Full siblings share approximately 50% of their DNA, meaning a significant portion of their genetic material is different. This difference is key to accurate paternity determination. However, when potential fathers are closely related, like brothers, they share more similar DNA strands. This can complicate the testing process, making it harder to differentiate. For instance, identical twins share virtually the same DNA, making it nearly impossible to distinguish between them using standard paternity testing methods alone. To achieve accurate results in these complex scenarios, several strategies are employed. One crucial step is testing both potential fathers simultaneously. Including the mother's DNA sample is also vital. Her DNA helps analysts determine which genetic material is inherited from her, simplifying the identification of the father's contribution. Performing extended DNA testing, which involves a more in-depth analysis of a greater number of genetic markers, significantly increases accuracy and helps finalize a proper conclusion. Another powerful tool is Y-DNA testing. This specifically confirms if two males are from the same paternal line, which is incredibly useful when brothers are involved. It is absolutely crucial to inform the testing laboratory about the relationship between the potential fathers. This allows them to apply the most appropriate and advanced testing methods. DNA paternity tests are highly accurate, often reporting a 99.9% or higher probability of determining paternity when enough DNA markers are tested. Results are reported as a probability of paternity, with 0% indicating exclusion and 99.9% or greater indicating inclusion. These interpretations reflect internationally accepted biostatistics. Paternity testing has significant legal implications, particularly in family law. Establishing paternity is crucial for determining parental rights and responsibilities. This includes custody, visitation, child support, and inheritance. DNA testing is essential when the rights and duties of the father are in question. Beyond the science and legalities, there are important ethical considerations: consent, privacy, and the potential emotional impact on families. In the UK, for example, the Human Tissue Act 2004 makes it a criminal offense to analyze bodily material without consent. Consent is paramount. It's essential to consider the effects of post-DNA testing on all involved and to provide counseling support services to help families navigate these sensitive results. Let's address some common myths. Results are reported as a probability, not an absolute certainty, though the probability is extremely high. It is illegal to test someone's DNA without their consent, and home kits without a witnessed collection are generally not admissible in court. While a mother's sample is helpful, it is not always strictly required for accurate results, though it does simplify the analysis. Various types of paternity tests are available, including postnatal tests performed after birth, usually with a buccal swab. Prenatal paternity tests can be conducted during pregnancy with non-invasive prenatal paternity testing, or NPPT, analyzing fetal DNA in the mother's blood. When a direct paternity test isn't possible, alternative DNA relationship tests can be used, such as sibling DNA tests, grandparent DNA tests, or aunt/uncle tests. Y chromosome tests, or Y-DNA, are also valuable in these situations, confirming if males are from the same paternal line. Understanding these complexities, strategies, and ethical considerations ensures the accurate and responsible use of paternity testing, especially in scenarios involving closely related potential fathers. From the drama of paternity court to the intricate science of DNA, we've seen how advanced techniques provide clarity and resolution, even in the most challenging family situations.